just arrived out the front. Well, I've left the gaff, come out the front, and while I was in bed this morning there was someone here from the council with a hedge trimmer, basically clearing all the brambles out the front. They've removed the brambles out the front of the gaff, and I've come out and I've realised that they've even had it go the plum trees out the front. So the council workers are basically giving the plum trees a prune, not realising that the trees weren't in fact theirs. I planted them because the ones that they kept planting kept dying, and then I tried to put another one in between, but that didn't survive. But that was a bit of a surprise. Come out here and the council have actually done their work, but it's not their trees. I planted them. But yeah, that was a big surprise. They needed doing, but I'll be damned if I can find the time. But I remember one year, this one here, I did actually cut it back the first year, but the other one I didn't, because it was in the darker corner, and I wanted to leave that one more strength because the conifers were there blocking the light. You can see where they've cut branches off. A reasonable job, not the best, but it makes a change. The council actually done their own fucking work. That's not exactly perfect. They've left a bit of a stub there, and they've done the other one as well. You see that they left all the Japanese knotweed. And a load of mess on the floor, and they've taken the two posts again. Look, that could have been done better, but they've left a stub. They've left bits on that could easily attract rot. They've taken the wooden poles, but you can see where this one, the branches are a bit more untidy and all over the place. The other one, the branches are straighter, they go straight up. That's because this is the one that I cut back a year or two in. I didn't do this one. But these plums, they're no good for fruit. They've got pocket plum, they've got a fungusy rust disease. Well, let's hope not too many kids start jumping in it. And this grass verge is pretty much doomed now. Give it 20 or 30 years and this will all be green alk in it. Horrible shit. Look at it, it's over there, green alk in it. Yeah, well, that was a surprise. I didn't expect the Croydon Council to actually do their own work. Normally it's left to the residents, but they actually gave the plum trees a cutback. As to whether it was the right time or not to do it, I don't know, possibly not, but They do look better, I suppose, but they're still going to need a few years to get over the look that they've been chopped. Whether I'll be here or not, I don't know. Looking at this rose, yeah, they've even, it looks like they cut the roses back. Anyway, that was a surprise. Gonna go to the station. I'm gonna go into London and get some lunch, and then I've got to get some money out for Ali Zaidi for the massage. But yeah, I wasn't expecting that to come out here, and they've cut back the 2 plums that I planted.